Welcome back, everybody. I'm Zack Pitchford, owner of Pitchford Design and Landscape. We're out here today with Wilcox Nursery, planting some beautiful sabal palms. Sabal palmetto is the scientific name, and these happen to be a regenerated sabal palm. What that means is after they were field cut, they are held in a controlled nursery environment, and they are allowed to grow out their roots and new fronds. What this does is increase the success of establishment after planting. So today we've planted 2 already, and now we're going to show you how we did it. So we've pulled the palm off the truck. Next thing we're going to do is pull away the black plastic that's containing the root ball, and we're going to inspect that for circling or matted roots. Typically on a B&B, we don't need to worry about this because it was recently cut from the field. But with a regenerated palm, it has been held for a long enough time where we might still find some circling or matted roots. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so this is pretty cool. What we found here, because this is a regenerated palm and it was wrapped in multiple layers of black plastic, as it started to regrow roots, it of course is gonna find those high moisture areas. And what it did was it had found a opening between the layers of plastic and put its new roots down inside those openings. So what we're doing now is working to remove all layers of the plastic, which means the outer layer and the layer that is currently inside under some of the roots. All right, so we've removed the plastic. We've inspected the root ball for circling and matted roots. We did have quite a bit of matting going on, so we simply just got in there as we were removing the plastic and just pulled some of those roots apart, kind of broke up that matting a little bit. Now we're ready to put this in the ground. Let's go. All right, so we got the palm placed in the hole. But before we get all excited and backfill in the hole and finish this job, that final step is to make sure we're at proper depth. And what we want is the top of the planted root ball 1 to 2 inches above the finished grade of the land. So as you can see here, we got the finished grade and we've got the top of the root ball. We're looking here at probably about a 1.5 inch rise. And that's gonna be perfect so that when we backfill, we can come in with mulch and that mulch will meet up right with the top of this. We're not gonna be worried about any trunk rot or stem rot in the future. All right, so that does it. We have successfully planted our sabal palm. What we're gonna do now, we got a few more plants to plant, and we're gonna put about 2 to 3 inches of mulch down, and that'll wrap us up. Thanks for joining us.